Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool LED Lamp 120V E14 part #W11518235. The Whirlpool LED Lamp 120V E14 part #W11518235 is a replacement light bulb for Whirlpool refrigerators. This LED lamp is designed to replace the original halogen bulb in your refrigerator and provide bright, energy-efficient lighting. The LED lamp has a 120V input voltage and an E14 base type, which is compatible with most Whirlpool refrigerators. It also features a long-lasting design that will provide up to 25,000 hours of illumination. The LED lamp is also designed to be easy to install and use, making it an ideal replacement for your existing refri. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a faulty LED lamp in a Whirlpool appliance. It will fix any issues related to the LED lamp not working properly, such as flickering, dimming, or not turning on at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the light fixture at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing lamp from the fixture. 3. Install the new Whirlpool LED Lamp 120V E14 part #W11518235 into the fixture, making sure that it is securely in place. 4. Turn on the power to the light fixture at the circuit breaker and test that it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.